It's Sunday, we're out here at Washougal, checking out all the new Alpinestars gear. Everything's looking sweet. And yeah, update on myself is I've just been working on physical therapy, getting this Achilles back to what I think is going to be 100%. So far it's going really well. I'd say I'm a few weeks ahead of protocol. So for me it's been great. Great recovery so far. And, I think there's more racing in my future.
So that right there is Eli Tomac basically coming out and saying, no, I'm going to come back racing. With a little bit less words, but I did read somewhere, I don't know where it was, so maybe it's my hallucination or something, but like, I did see, I'm pretty well sure that I saw something about him already having a 2024 deal for supercross only. I'm assuming that's with Yamaha, coming back, trying to get the title he lost last year under his belt, whatever you want to call it. And personally, I really want that to happen. I think Eli Tomac is incredible for the sport, even getting closer to the end of his career towards the retirement side of things. He is still incredibly fast, incredibly fit, and obviously being like 6 or 7 weeks ahead of the curve for an Achilles rupture injury, like back doing physical therapy already. I don't know. To me, that does not scream I'm going to retire and sit at home. That to me screams like I'm going to start working as hard as I can to get ready and healthy as fast as I can. But I don't know. In the comments below, you tell me. You think when he comes back, if he comes back, either one, and if he does, is he going to be anywhere near what he was before the injury? Is he going to be right back to championship contention? Or is he going to be kind of a slower version of himself? But whatever it is, comment down below as you're down there. Like, share, subscribe, do all the fun things this platform allows you to do, because it really just helped me out and I appreciate it. And with that, I will see y'all later. Peace.